pre-skate routine real quick. Yep. Rainy days, guys. Rainy days. Yep. Tony Cash getting down to business. Then we have Mr. Thrash and Burn Enrique himself.
Right here doing work, you feel me? Gotta clean up these puddles.
Yep.
Somebody got to do it.
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry for being a pussy boy and not landing anything. Please give me the strength and power to land all my tricks today. Amen.
Amen.
Fuck. Fuck.
Oh shit.
Jacob has the keys.
Huh?
I think Jacob has the keys.
Jacob! I
He's over
bet
there.
money you guys lost.
Open it! Pop the trunk!
Oh yeah! Pop the trunk!
No!